Hey everybody, my name is Sarah and today we are going to talk about one of my favorite Christmas gifts, homemade vanilla. So, a lot of people, I give this away at Christmas time because it's so much fun for holiday baking, cookies, cakes, all of that all year round. I like to throw it in my pancakes and waffles as well. And people ask me all the time, how do you do it? It's so delicious. It must be so hard. It's not. It's super easy. So I need a couple of things. You need vanilla, and you need grade B vanilla because it needs to be very specific grade B vanilla. I get this from Amazon, and and then you need vodka. You do not need the real good stuff. I get the cheapy stuff because I'm going to turn it into vanilla. Okay, so I just made a new batch, or I just started a new batch today, and I get 2 of these packages from Amazon, and I don't cut them or anything. You'll see I just put them in here like this. Okay, and then what I also did was I wrote the date 6 months from today, because in 6 months this will be ready. And this will go in the pantry and where it's dark and cool. And every 3 to 6 days, I'll go in and just do that. That's it. So easy. Done. In 6 months, it will look like this. That's it. Voila. Done. So easy. And it smells amazing. You can't smell it, but if you could. It does not smell like vodka anymore. It smells like vanilla extract. And then I get these little bottles from Amazon. They're made by Vivaplex. Not very expensive. And they make beautiful gifts. People love receiving them. And we get to love our neighbors and our coworkers and our friends well. Happy holidays.